When the Casio FX Plus series calculator is in its default mode, performing division often results in fractions. For example, if you type 3 divided by 5, the screen will display it as the fraction 3 over 5. Of course, you can easily toggle between formats by pressing the S to D key. Press it once to convert the fraction to a decimal, 0.6, and press it again to convert it back to a fraction. But suppose you want your divisions to show decimals right away. To change this setting, press Shift, then Mode to enter Setup menu. Press 1 to select Math I/O. Press 2 to select Line for linear display. Now, when you do a basic division like 3 divided by 5, it will instantly be displayed as 0.6. Now, let's suppose you want to perform a calculation like 3 over 5 plus 5 over 8 using the actual fraction button. Enter 3, press the fraction button, enter 5, then use the right arrow key to move out of the fraction. Plus 5, fraction button, and then 8. When you press equals, the calculator will give you the answer as an improper fraction. From here, you can press SD to convert it to a decimal, or press Shift then SD to convert it to a mixed number. If you want the answer to display as a decimal right away without using the SD key, you'll need to use the standard division button rather than the fraction button. Enter 3 divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 8 equals. You get 1.225 immediately. You can still convert this result back to a fraction by pressing S to D and to a mixed number by pressing Shift then S to D. Finally, if you want to reset your calculator back to its default factory settings, press Shift, then 9 for clear, select Setup by pressing 1, then press equals to confirm yes. Then press the AC key. The calculator is now back in its default mode. Thanks for watching.